Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the Amazon app on your iPhone. Sign in now with the account holding the gift card. Once signed in, tap the menu icon. It might be at the bottom or top of your screen, and navigate to Account, then Gift Cards. This view shows your current balance and any linked codes. Make sure you're on the correct account before proceeding, because removing a gift card affects only this account. Next, locate the specific redeemed code or card transaction you want to remove. Once you've found the transaction, tap it to open details. You need to confirm whether the card was applied as a balance or tied to a specific purchase. If Amazon shows a remove or unlink option, tap that and follow the prompts. If no remove option appears, choose the contact support link inside the transaction detail. Use the in-app chat or phone request so an agent can review account history and unlink the code if policy allows. Keep your order ID and code info ready when you contact them. After removal, refresh the gift cards page and confirm the balance changed as expected. Make sure purchases didn't immediately reapply any remaining credit. If removal fails, take screenshots of the transaction, note the date and any reference numbers, and contact Amazon support again with those details. Ask for escalation if necessary. As a precaution, change your account password and enable two-factor authentication to protect remaining funds. If an agent can't unlink the card, request a written case number and follow up until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.